Well, here's the Pixel 5 case. Hot off the press, hot off the press. I have just gotten a package from Google. Oh, this contains the Pixel 5 and you guys have challenged me to open it while wearing oven mitts. That's right. I cannot do it unless I have these on. Let's give it a go. I'm excited. Oh. There's like a pull tab here, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to grab it. Come on. This is so crazy. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. Am I allowed utensils? Oh, yeah. Yes. That worked. Now I can't grip it to just open it. It's just, Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh, let's read the note. Hello. We're excited to introduce some of the latest and greatest from Google. Thank you, Google. Uh-oh. Check it. Ooh, that is steaming hot. Yeah. Now what? Well, here's the Pixel 5 case. Ooh, this is actually made from recycled plastics and it's machine washable. How does one? There's usually pull tabs, like little things you have to peel. Yes. Ooh, I have to just... I wish I could show you more real estate without covering it by my mitt. What else is in the box? USB-C to USB-C charging cable, charging brick, adapter thing, headphones. Ugh. Oh, I'm worried I'm gonna break them. I got one, yes! I really like Google Pixel earphones because they have a nice shape. See that? They fit in your ears nicely. USB-C as well. That's pretty much it. We just have to peel the coating off, which is gonna be very unsatisfying, I predict. Can't even grab it. Oh, turned it on, my bad. And there you have it, the Google Pixel 5. If you want to learn more about it, I will be reviewing this in full, so stay tuned, otherwise, I'll see you next time. Ooh, hot. I'm trying to put the case on for you guys. Check it out.